Hello, welcome back to another workout. Today I'm going to show you how to use a door anchor. And so a door anchor really helps you use your bands with a lot more exercises if you can't do the hooks. And what's cool about this is we can move it high, medium, anywhere on the door, even low, and you can do so many exercises with it. So we're going to go over that today. I'm going to assume you know nothing about how to use this, so I'm going to show you exactly how to hook it in the door. Okay, let's go. Okay, so some people might think you can put the anchor here in the front of the door where the door opens. And you can, but it's going to be hard to close. The best place to put our anchor is in the hinged part of the door. And this one's going to be in, I'll show you a close-up of it. And it comes with a hook. And then you can put that hook right in here, and then you can hook your band to it. So I've got the band with the handles, and so I would just open the hook, put the band through that way. Now if you've got one without handles, then you can use this without the hook. You can just put the band through here, but the hook makes it nice to use. We're going to take the hook off and attach it to the door, and I'm going to show you exercises with it high, medium height, and low. Okay, so I'm really excited to share this with you, and I'll have this exact one where you can get it on Amazon in the descriptions below, and I'll put it as the first link so you can find it easy. Okay, so you can see where this is hinged and it's going to close. We're going to put this in this way. Okay, so how you put the anchor in the door is you're going to slide it right through the crack here. And we're going to start with high anchor, and then you're just going to close it, close the door. And then you can see that it's really, secure in the. Okay, so you can see that this is really secure. It's not going to go anywhere, but you always want to test it to make sure. And then we're going to grab our band, and I'm going to grab the one with the handles, and then I'm just going to use this snap, put the band through like that in the middle, and then I'm going to use this snap and hook it on here. Just like that. The first exercise I'm going to show you is a straight arm pull down. And so you're just going to go like this, straight down, and see how that anchor just stays right there. It's very secure. Now, if you have to do seated exercises, then you can also use this anchor, and you can sit down and you can row and do a back row, and you can do it high and look up just like that. And that's a good way to do a different type of row. Hits the same muscles but in a different way. So strengthening your muscle in different ways is good. It gives it a variety. It hits the muscle just a little differently. That's just going to make that muscle stronger. So that's 2 exercises there. You can do your triceps. And so you can grab the bands this way, and you're going to start here and then press down, just like you're using a rope at the gym. And you're going to do a tricep press down just like that, and that works really well. And if it's too long, you can tie it. So let's pretend it's too long, we'll tie it. Or if you have more than one band, you can use a stronger band. But I can tie it just like that. And then I can do my triceps just like that. Yeah, that cool? So now we're going to move the anchor about midpoint. And of course, all you have to do is open your door, pull it out from this area. And I left the snap on. It was able to go through, but you might have to take the snap off each time you move it down. So just remember, you'll let it hang until you come to the other side, and then you're going to pull that anchor wherever you want it. Shut the door, and voila, now we have it right at the medium height that we want it. Use a little stronger band here. So I put my hook on and then put the band in. Okay, so this one, you can do a chest press, you can do a chest fly. So I'm going to step out here. And remember, we've done these on sitting in a chair. But it's nice to be able to stand up and use more of your balance and do the exercises. So chest press, and then we can do a fly, hitting that chest with another exercise. Okay, and then we can do just a straight row. So we did a high row, now we're going to do just a straight row back like that. And see how nice that is? These anchor hooks for the door work really well. And so now, let's see if we can do a side pull. And you might try it with the two handles, but if the band is too tough, then you'll want to tie it off and make it just one handle. Okay, and then you can go from here to here. And you can do a standing side pull. You can even go high to low, low to high with your band. It's just really cool. You can do so many different things. And then the other thing you can do is a bicep curl, just like that. So I encourage you, if you can't do the hooks, get your anchor, get your bands, so we can do more exercises and really strengthen you, where you can have strong bones, strong ligaments and tendons, and more muscle to burn calories and just be strong. So now we're going to put our anchor low. And what you can do with that is you can take this band, tie it into a loop, or if you have the loop bands, the circle bands, you can use those and just snap it in. But I don't think I have any here at the house, so I'm gonna just tie a double knot. And then, so I'm gonna put that in place about right here. Close the door and it's secure. I'm gonna use the hook. Snap it right in. Okay, so I'm gonna put my foot through this loop. It's gonna be right behind my ankle. Holding on here, you're just going to do a kickback, which is really going to hit our glute and really strengthen that. And I'm going to untie it so we can do some other exercises. Okay, so we're going to do a bicep curl now. So low anchor bicep curls. And there's many more exercises you can do. Okay, so our last exercise is an upright row. So you're going to get pretty close, and then you're just going to lift your arms. And this band's just a little bit long, so I would tie it to make it shorter. So that's our video today. I hope you enjoyed seeing how to use an anchor, how beneficial it will be for your workouts. And we'll do another real workout on the next video. But I just wanted to go over how to use the anchor, and hopefully that'll help you feel comfortable to get one and be able to do more workouts with me. Okay, so until next time, you take care, and we'll see you in the next video. Oh, and of course, please subscribe and share. Thank you.